take this fridge. Oh, there's even food inside. Wow, and a mirror? That's a pretty nice fridge. I'll take this fridge. Oh, it's really heavy. Ow! Oh! Poppy, what was that? Oh my gosh, Poppy, what was that?
I don't know. What's going on?
Probably just my dream.
Yeah.
Yeah. I gotta go hide that fridge. Yeah.
Okay, Diamond.
Okay, we hide everything in this fridge. Oh, back there. Okay. I think I hid it all pretty well. All right, now I'm gonna go to bed.
Chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Chicken, what's your favorite color? I'm so hungry.
Wait a minute. Why did that just light up? It only lights up when there's someone down there. Or someone has been down there. That means someone came in our house last night. And those noises we heard, Poppy?
Yeah.
Someone broke into our house.
Yeah.
Dun, dun, dun.
Okay, let me go see if I have a fridge in your sister.
Alright, let me go see. Go down here. Over here. That's what I want to
Your
do.
fridge?
My God.
I have a food. No.
Ah, we're gonna eat. We won't be able to eat any food.
Okay,
Ah.
Ollie.
Yeah?
We lost our fridge.
Wait, you lost your fridge.
Yeah.
Who took your fridge?
I don't know. Let's just
Detective Allie is on the case.
Let's just see who's.
So, you say that somebody took your fridge?
Yeah.
Are you sure it wasn't like a friend or something? No? Okay. Do you have any bad guys or anyone that isn't like you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, there's this guy named Creed, there's a guy named Diamond, there's Creed's evil brother, bunch of people, yeah.
Yeah, a bunch of people.
And then there's Bowl. Ugh, they're really scary. Well, anyway. So, Poppy, what are we going to do about this?
We're gonna.
Have Allie help us or something?
Yeah.
Come over here.
And Amelia.
Right. Amelia and Detective Amelia
And then
is on the case. Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright, well, let's go drive in our car. We'll go drive around. There's people in our car. Okay, well, guess we won't be riding our car to get it. Okay, we're going to be riding a magical unicorn. Okay. Well, that's new. Hey, Poppy, when'd you get that?
I just started and then they bought it.
Oh, okay. Today?
Yeah, and the last day. And boom! You fell off. Get back on. Get back on it.
My Little Pony. La 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 la. My Little Pony.
Can I stay here?
You're here. Okay, you can talk. That's new. Okay, a horse can talk or a unicorn. I don't know. Well, bye. Stay here. We'll see you later. Wait a minute. That's our fridge. Guys, I think we found our fridge. You see it? It's like right... I was going to say it's right over there, but it just flew at us. Alright, guys, look, it's right there. Well, let me go see this fridge. Make sure this is ours. Oh, yeah, it's our fridge, guys. And our food just flew at us. What? This is so scary. I think, oh, there's a ghost. Okay, guys, well, there's a ghost. And we gotta get out of here and get with our fridge and our food.
It's food.
Food fight! So much food. It's flying everywhere. Wait, magical unicorn! We forgot our fridge.
Because he's my owner. Poppy's my owner. Okay.
Well, let me get this pin, and then I can put this on. Be one
So
second.
you lock it.
1 second, Poppy. Let me go do something. Okay, Poppy. I can put this little lock on so it doesn't fall off. 1 second, Poppy. All right. Okay, I put the lock on, Poppy. Now it won't open. See?
Okay.
Can't open at all. Let's just take off the lock. Okay? Just take this. Yeah. All right, there we go.
Oh, get it on.
Let's go, magical unicorn.
So he knows this is.
What?
He doesn't want us to know this.
Okay, well, what are we gonna call this unicorn thing?
Nessie.
Nessie?
Nettie, yeah.
Nettie?
Yeah.
Alright, the new name is Nessie. Hello, Nessie. Nessie, Ma. Let's go, Nessie. Bow, yeah.
And then he comes.
Wait, not yet. Hold on.
Oh.
Alright, well, wait, Poppy. I gotta get the fridge. You scared me. What are you doing here?
I'm hungry. I want it back.
What back? The fridge? You're the one that took my fridge?
Yeah.
Where'd he go? Oh my god, he can fly. He can fly. Alright, well, I'm just gonna go get my fridge. Put it back inside. Poppy! He took a unicorn! What am I gonna do, Poppy? Poppy, no! I'll get you, Poppy! You get him, girl! Poppy, you there?
Hello.
Hey, look out! Guy Diamond took our fridge! He's trying to take our unicorn! Get him! Drop him in jail! Put him in jail, quick! Okay, he's in jail, guys. Let me see him real quick. He's back. He's back in jail. No! Alma, you gotta put him in jail.
He was just. And then he escaped from last night.
Not yet. Alright, well, I'm going home, Poppy. Oh gosh. Today was a day well done. Poppy, come on, we're gonna go back to bed. It's like midnight right now. Come on, it's our bedtime. You know, I'm gonna go get a snack real quick and I'm gonna eat. Okay, done. Let's eat everything in the fridge. Alright, well, good night, everyone. Good night. See you tomorrow.